Hey guys, how's it going? This is a Corten steel container from Gardener Supply. Actually, just got it this spring. It's a 17-inch diameter. There are 2 drain holes in the bottom. In fact, they come with these little black plugs right here. I just pulled them out so that we make sure that this container drains well. But the cool thing about this is that usually when you get them, they show up just their kind of natural steel color, that gray color, and then they take on this rusty patina over time. They have a video though on their website, and we'll link it down below, where you can speed up the patina process if you really want the whole container to look rusted. And it's not a corrosive rust, it's a totally fine, like it's just purely aesthetic, and it won't ruin the integrity of your planter. So we're all good there. But I think that all the warm colors I'm using will look really good in this container.